pumpkin, onion, green chili, garlic, ramp leaves, curry leaves, cinnamon, fenugreek seeds, mustard cream, pepper powder, salt powder, turmeric powder, unroasted curry powder, water, sugar, let's start making pumpkin curry. Put the pumpkin slides to pot. Add fenugreek seeds. Now add salt powder. Add turmeric powder. Add unroasted curry powder. Then add onion. Add garlic. Add the green chili. Add cinnamon. Add ramp leaves. Add the curry leaves. Now add water. Boil the pumpkin well in low flame. It's a take 5 to 8 minutes. Until the pumpkin is ready, we need to make a coconut mixture. Put the little bit pepper powder to the water. Add mustard cream. Now add coconut milk. Mix all. Open the lid of the pot and check if the pumpkin is cooked. It is not cooked enough. After a little bit time, open and see it's okay or not. Now the pumpkin looks well cooked. Now add coconut milk mixture. Now mix well, and keep the container closed until the coconut milk is heated. Now that the coconut milk is well heated, salt is added at this time. Now mix, add, close the pot and wait 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, pumpkin curry ready.